In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up DeepSeek for Janitor AI. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to janitorai.com and you want to sign into your account, and then you want to go into one of your chats. So for example, you can go into a new one or just continue the one you already spoke with. Now, this one over here is mine, and this one will allow proxies. However, sometimes you can stumble upon some like this one, which actually don't allow proxies. So when you try to set it up, it will basically not allow it. So whenever you set everything up, it will just simply say over here, and it will give an error up top, which will basically say that you can't use proxies because they are forbidden with this very character. Now, if this happens, just select a different character, and basically that's it. Now here, I just opened up one of my characters, and then you want to click on those three lines up top, and you want to click on API settings. To actually set up DeepSeek, the Janitor AI, you want to click on Custom over here, and then you want to go to OpenRouter.ai. In here, you want to create your account, and then once you have your account created, you want to sign in, and here where it says models, or just here at the top left, you want to look for DeepSeek. Okay, so look for DeepSeek, and then scroll down a bit until you see a bunch of different DeepSeeks, and all of these, as you can see, that say free at the very right, mean that they are free. Now here you can select whichever one you want. For me, I'm gonna go with this one because it's free. Just make sure it has free at the very right of the name, okay? Now click on that. I'm gonna go with this one, as I said, and this is gonna open up your DeepSeek, basically your free model. Now here you'll see this kind of link over here. What you want to do is copy this. So copy it, go back to your API settings, click on proxy, and under model, make sure you paste this in, okay? So just paste this part in here, whatever you have it, so it doesn't matter which model you have, copy this and then paste it in here. When it comes to other API/proxy URL, in here, what you're gonna have to do is, you'll have to paste this thing in over here. I leave this down below so you can just copy and paste it, so it's gonna be OpenRouter.ai, etc. And then once you've done that, go to the API key section. Now here you'll have to put in your API. The way you get this is you can have two ways of this. You can just click on API over here and create API key, or click at the top right, click on keys, and then you can create a new one by clicking create API key, naming it. I'm going to name it DeepSeek Janitor AI. Doesn't really matter. You can just name it something, and then you can give it a credit limit if you want to, so I'm not going to. And then here click on create, and you'll see your new key. Now you'll only be able to see this once, so make sure you copy it and paste it somewhere safe, because after you basically close this window, you won't be able to see it again, and then you'll have to create a new API key if you want to use it again. Now here, go in here, paste it in, and then where it says custom prompt, in case you want any custom prompts, you can basically add them in or not, so this will basically alter the behavior of the bot. If you want to do it, you are free to do so. I'm not going to, and I'm just going to skip this part right now. Now, here you can of course select these if you want to, and after you're done, click on Save Settings. Now, after you've done this, it says using proxy up top, and this is a very good sign already. So I'm just going to type in, yo, how you doing, for example, and we're going to try to chat. As you can see, it says a network error occurred. So if that happens, make sure you just refresh the site like this. Just refresh it, and then basically try talking to it again. Sometimes what will happen, you will get this error multiple times. As you can see, I did not, so it basically just started talking to me right away. I just refreshed the website, and this is how you usually get it to work. But if that doesn't work, just refresh the website again, or just leave the website, come back, and it should be working for you. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.